TV repair service. Isn't it annoying when you are just getting ready to Netflix and chill on a weekend, and your TV causes trouble? Nothing can be more frustrating than missing out your daily soap or a crucial episode of your favorite show. No sound, no video, blanching colors on the screen, distorted images that you thought were due to poor cable connection might be the possible indications your TV signals you prior to shut down. For anything or everything that you cannot find in your TV manual to fix, contact our expert technicians at Incity. We offer repairs and replacements with branded parts for all kinds of TV sets, with transparent costs you will never regret. Be it installation or repair of your TV, we are here to help you. Visit www.incityservice.com or download our Incity app on Google Play Store to book a technician.
For further queries, give us a call at +917 3375 11535. Our services are available in 5 countries: India, South Africa, East Africa, Australia, Europe. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.